Hi and welcome to Bryony May Bakes.
Hello, my name's Erin and I'm a Makaton tutor. Today we're making dairy-free frozen yoghurt rainbow bark.
Delicious! For this recipe you will need dairy-free yoghurt, sprinkles and food colouring. I'm going to pour the yoghurt into the bowls.
So Bryony is pouring the yoghurt into the bowls.
Now I'm going to add the colours to the yoghurt.
So Bryony is adding the colours to the yoghurt.
So first is red.
First, red.
Now orange.
Next is orange.
Now green.
Next is green.
Now blue.
Next is blue.
And now purple.
And purple.
Now I'm going to mix them all together. You can help. Lovely colours.
What lovely colours. So you could try painting with the yoghurt. What's next, Bryony?
I'm going to put the yoghurt colours into the tray.
So Bryony is putting the yoghurt into the tray.
So first red,
First, red,
then it's orange,
then orange,
then green,
then green,
then blue,
then blue,
and then purple.
and last is purple.
Now I'm going to cover it with sprinkles.
So now Bryony is going to put the sprinkles on the top.
And now we're going to put it into the freezer for an hour.
So now we're going to put it into the freezer for an hour.
We've taken it out of the freezer.
So we've taken it out of the freezer.
And now we're going to break it up, ready to eat.
So we're going to break up the rainbow bark, ready to eat.
Oh.
Really colourful. Thank you for watching Baking with Makaton.
And thank you for watching Bryony May Bakes.
Bye!